And welcome to the Nap Plays, and today we will be playing the Untitled Goose Game again. Okay, so last time we dressed up the bus with the things from the shop. So we are going to go back here. Okay, we're in. So, as we already know, this man, anything that he sees that is not his, he throws off the edge. Our first task will be to make the man go barefoot. So, I hope he didn't notice. Look, if I give him this, he's about to throw it. I can't pick it up. Never mind. How do I get his other foot? His other foot is impossible. I can't get it, see? Look. How do I get his other foot? It doesn't highlight it. I have to look away. Do. Look, how do I do it? Okay, oh wait, I gotta look away. Okay, so if I go over here, I should be able to do it now, but you'll notice. Okay, let's do it now. Tea time. What tea time? He's going barefoot. You can take your slipper back. Okay, the next thing. Let's do the washing. And who else would have a bra other than the neighbor? Okay, so... what's punching bag time? Boom, boom, boom. Huh? Okay. Oh, I want this red ribbon. You will never get my red ribbon. What? What? I swear there was an exit. I didn't pull it down, dang it. My ribbon of red. Fine, the lady wants it, he'll take it. I mean, she'll take it. Throw it. He's a madman. Okay, he's a madman. I'm looking away. Oh, wait. If he... I don't know. I'm gonna make him throw everything. Throw this, mister. Throw that. Next target, the vase. I'm making him throw everything. Throw this. Yes, throw it. Well, that was convenient. I didn't mean for it to break. No, I want to get in. Thank you. Hello. Hey, you get back here. You too. And then, boom. Come and see. Oh, I think she saw. Okay, you, come. Fine. I need the sock. It's part of the doing the washing. I already have the bra, and I put it in my special corner. And I'm gonna put them all later. So for right now, I'm just gonna drop that there. I accidentally fell down. I might as well take this. I meant to crouch. Now I gotta wait. I'm just gonna drop this here, and then I'm gonna start commotion. I started some commotion. Okay, so I need to get the other sock before she notices. Okay, I don't think she noticed. This is starting to get really easy. No, let me through. Let me through. Let me through. Yeah, time for me to go punching bag time. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, she cuts it. Okay. I thought she was an untidy person. It's time for me to paint. She stopped me. I want to paint your duck. Stop stopping me! You know what? Taking this. Who needs this? It's time for church. Fine, I'll start helping you. Here. There's your piece. Please don't thank me. Here, this is yours as well. I keep taking everything. I like this shiny bell. Wait for her to get it, and I'm gonna test it in 3, 2, 1. No, why isn't everybody? Come. Yeah, look. Ding! Break your pot too. Break your pot too. Almost. Why do I keep falling with it? How can they even see me? They don't have any eyes. I just noticed that. Why don't they have any eyes? If they could see me, why do they? I got everything. Okay, so I got a bra, I got the pair of socks, I got the slipper, I got the bar of slipper. I didn't get the slipper. Can I have that, please? Okay, actually, you know what? Never mind. It was weird anyway. I'll take this. I took your other slipper. That slipper smells like stinky feet. This one smells like flowers. Why were you putting flowers in your slipper? I don't think he liked me saying that. Okay, so now I put that in here. P.U. I really have to wash those slippers. I'm glad I put it in those socks. The bra. Soap. Ta-da! Oh wait, I'm gonna go and watch his other one. Nothing. Go, drink. I need to wash your slipper. Fine, go and drink your tea while I take your other slipper. I'm trying to look away. Got your slipper. Time to wash it. I'm washing them. See? Okay, next thing. I have to make the man spit out his tea. I'm gonna get just with the ribbon. Punching bag. See this guy? He's impersonating me. Nope. The man came. That's why I'm so frightened. It's a fully working city. What? I got the soap. I'll put it back. I'm cleaning. Now I just have to push it on this side. We're fine. I'll just give these to you. Hey, I'm trying to be helpful. I look so weird when I'm doing that. Okay, he's got the last one, so I'm gonna actually go over. Punching bag! Oh wait, I'm gonna scare him. Nothing. Gotta set him down. Is she there? I don't think she's... Yeah, she's not there. What? It was that easy? Oh my god. Now they're gonna argue again. No less done to do. First, I need to go and get dressed. Because that guy is impersonating me. So I go. Take the ribbon. Nothing. Fine, I'll put it down. What are you drawing? That hurt my ears. What does this do? Pushing. Oh. Is there one on the back? There is, but you can't pull it back. As soon as she sees me, it's over. I have to make sure she doesn't see me, because when she sees me, she knows. What? She cut the rose. Someone's gonna be angry. Okay, now they're going to their meeting center. I could just do that. No, I need to go to the secret corner. She never found her bra over there, so she shouldn't find that. Now I take this back. Why are they acting like... Why are they acting like there's been a crime? Do not look over here. No, I must take the red ribbon first. Hey, stop taking it out of my hand if you're gonna take something else anyway. No, she's gonna know because... Oh no, please don't know. Please put it on me, put it on me, put it on me, put it out, put it on. Put it on me. I didn't twitch. I didn't move at all. How do you know? You know what? Thank you. No, you don't need it. You don't need it. You don't need it. You know what? Go and deal with your bell. Okay. Oh, look. She moved that. I don't know where she's going, but that does not matter. What matters is that I go and then I sit on that throne. Hello. Just walking. Okay, now I should go and do that. I'm a duck. I'm a ducky. I'm a ducky. I'm a ducky, ducky, ducky. I'm a ducky. I'm a ducky. I'm a ducky, ducky, ducky. Okay. Okay. Now she may give me the ribbon. Give me the ribbon. Okay, let's try this one more time. Give me the ribbon. Okay. Now she must go and do her painting while I make my great escape. No, don't ring those. Okay. No! I'll put it right here. Dang it, I wanted that ribbon. That's my favorite color. Jeez, who pushed me? Okay, we have to do one more thing on this bucket list. Ooh. I'll open that. I don't know what that does. Secret passageway, perhaps? There's boxes. We can close this. Look, we could drop the box. Oh, we can go in. That's weird. We can go in the box. Why would we need to go? Whatever. Let's see what's next. Get into the pub? That might be the easiest one because it's right there. Oh, what is she doing? Don't put me... How did it... Oh, she's bringing me in. This might be the easiest one ever. Guys, if you see a red button that says subscribe, please make it gray. Yeah! Like and subscribe. Bye. I'll see you on the next video. Bye!